Hello friends, today we will discuss about the trigonometry. Trigonometry plays a very great important role in our daily life, such that you can measure the height of any buildings, tower, or trigonometry is also used in criminology. Trigonometry is also used in constructions of buildings. There are various use of trigonometry. So how let's we begin with our topic trigonometry. Before going in detail with trigonometry, I will explain about how trigonometry is origin. Trigonometry is a combination of two words, that is trigonon plus metron. Trigonon means triangle and metron means measurement. Trigonometry had derived from two Greek words, that is trigonon plus metron. Trigonon means triangle and metron means measurement. Basically, in trigonometry, we will deals with the angles, measures with the measure of angles and sides of a triangle. So let's how can you measure the triangle? How can you measure the sides and angles of a triangles? Suppose this is your the building. Consider this is your building, and you have to measure the height of this building. So how can you calculate the height of this building? For example, here is you, and you looking this building. This is called line of sight. This is called line of sight, and this is the distance between you and building. Suppose that the distance between you and building is the 3 meter, and the angle by which you seeing the height of building is the 60 degree. Now you have to calculate the height of this building h. You can also name the naming as A, B, C. Now tell me one thing is that you have to calculate the height of building, and here the distance between you and the building is 3 meter, and the angle between and the line of sight is the angle between the line of sight and you is the 60 degree. So you can measure in this with h upon 3 equals to tan 60, and you know the value of tan 60 is the root 3. Now do the cross multiply. H equals to 3 root 3 meter. So this is the height of building. Like this way you can calculate so many heights of buildings, towers, and many more things. Now I will explain about the trigonometric ratio. What is trigonometric ratio? In trigonometry ratio, we will discuss about the six main aspects of trigonometry, such as sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and last one is the cosec theta. Sin theta is nothing but the perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is the base upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Cot theta is base upon perpendicular. Sec theta is hypotenuse upon base. And cosec theta is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. These 6 trigonometric ratio which are helps in the measuring of sides of triangle and the angles of a triangle. Here we have seen that sin theta. Sin theta is this is the not the product between sin and theta. This is say that sin theta is the sine of angle theta. Sine and theta is not a multiply, not a product. This is called as sine of theta. It means that such as sine 60. Sine here theta is the value of theta is 60 degree. Sine 45. So this is all about the trigonometric ratio. So guys, in next class we will discuss more about the trigonometric. Thank you. Good day.